Sir, get your taillights fixed. It's your last warning.
What's wrong with my taillights?
They're broken.
What's up, guys? We're back. So, been a little bit, some things have happened. But, the other day I was getting ready to go to work, and I saw this. Nice little hole in the taillight. So I thought, why don't we use this unfortunate situation and add a little bit more style to the daily driver. Just go ahead, open up this little box, Boxy McBoxerson from AmericanTrucks.com, and let's see what we've got. This box is Alright, you can see here we got LED taillights. It's got some ballast resistors. And the same style plug as the factory. So this should bolt right in. Right, tools needed to do this: cross tip screwdriver, slotted screwdriver, and the little plastic clip popper dude. Last but not least, you need a little Contigo cup full of Strike Force, because it's too damn early to be drinking. Everyone's favorite part, we got the voiceover again, right? And y'all keep saying I have Kenny Powers voice. So 2 screws that use that cross tip screwdriver, and then you should be able to wiggle the tail light out. It's going to be held in with 2 little pin things. Go underneath the truck, and you got this little module in the back. Those 2 middle plugs, top and bottom, take those out. Each plug goes to one of the tail lights. Right, and then you pop those little clips loose, or use a screwdriver and pop the little clip out that holds onto that convoluted loom. And then you'll be able to remove the tail light. Now you get the new one in place with those ballast resistors. They're going to be held on with some double-sided foam tape. Go ahead and clean the inside. If your truck's anything like mine, it's got 13 years worth of dirt back behind inside that bed. So once those are in place, you'll be able to pop the tail light back in and then attach the tail light to the body with the same screws that you had stock. Once you get both screws in, you can move on to the passenger side. And while you're doing this, you go ahead and do it with your Trailer Park Motorsports t-shirt, and you can get that all nice and dirty with whatever is laying on your driveway. So again, we're now doing basically the same steps, just on the other side, with the passenger side taillight. Remember, I had already removed the wiring for the stock taillight, so that came out easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we got the new taillight in place. We're tightening those screws up, and just like that, bingo bango, dodge the Rango, we have both taillights installed. Only thing left is to go underneath the truck and then run the new wiring into that little module. So driver's side is first. It plugs into the top. These can only be attached one way. There's no way to screw this up, unlike what's happening in the White House right now. That's all screwed up. So then you go and run the passenger side harness, plug that into the bottom little deal. Make sure they clip in, seat nice, and everything should be golden. like a shower. Then when you're done, you get to play around with the lights. Make sure that your left and right turn signals work, your four ways, your brakes, all that stuff. Unless you just don't care about having your truck. All right, yep, we got some flashy McFlasherson going on. Everything's working. You can see just how bright. You can see just how bright these taillights are. And I'll just let you guys get back to to our little music here, and we're just about done anyways. Okay, so there we go, just like that. We got taillights swapped out. Pretty easy job. I did it with 3 tools. All right, unless you're the type of person that skips over Google and ignores the search feature on Facebook. If you just go and ask some shit on Facebook, on one of them groups, it might take you about 5 hours, but this took me about 30 minutes, and most of that was starting and stopping the camera. So easy job. One last thing before we go, got new shirts. We're gonna go ahead and give my friend Brian Jaradovac a shout out. He's got I don't know, the round body Ford dumpster Mustang or whatever, the girl Mustang. He's got the girl Mustang with a Ford motor, right? But he just put it on Holly, got it up and running pretty quick. So give a good shout out to him because he read the instructions. All right, that's it for this time. Might have another one coming up.